Hey, waking up to a green market. That's the way I want to start my morning here. And if you're looking at floor prices, if you're looking at sales volume, well, I bet you wouldn't see that. Today, I have the perfect examples to show you why you have to add the Forkast 500 NFT index. Got to add it to your tool belt, because while floor prices across collections seem to be coming down, that Forkast index is showing us that the value of NFTs are actually up. Today, we're going to dive into that with some specific examples for you. And of course, we have big news coming right along with that. The Pudgy Penguins finally releasing their highly anticipated OverpassIP platform. Also have some quick updates on OpenSea, who are open to being acquired. Azuki Beanz are doing numbers, not in NFTs, but in the physical world. And guys, if you were wondering what the metaverse smells like, well, you don't have to wonder any longer. So we're going to get into those stories, but of course, we kick it off with a look at the Forkast 500. And like I mentioned at the start, we're up in the green today in the positive 1.3%. And the biggest factor here is the rising price of cryptos. You can see in the past 24 hours, most of the big boys are up. Solana in particular up over 6%, Avalanche up over 11%, Matic up 3.5%, Arbitrum over 3%, and I could just go on and on here, because here's where things get interesting. Sales volume yesterday came in at 25.6 million, but still the conversation about floor prices maybe not being the best way to measure the value of NFTs. Man, we got those perfect examples still coming. First, we got to look at what's moving the market this morning here on CryptoSlam.io. The General Ordinals collection at number 1, a couple BRC20s in here, but you got Fraganas at number 3, followed by the Pudgy Penguins, Mad Lads, Gods Unchained, D-Market, and the CryptoPunks round out the top 10 here. Okay, if you're looking at floor prices, you just wouldn't assume that the value of the NFT market is increasing. In the past 24 hours, the Pudgy Penguins floor price down 5%, Azuki down 1%, Lil Pudgy's down 13%. The Cool Cat's also down 3%, but if I actually dive into the Pudgy Penguins sales, well, their average sale price actually is up. Yesterday, the average sale price $38,500. Today, so far, over $39,000. Here's Cool Cats, and we have another perfect example here. Yesterday, $2,200. Today, $2,700. Then the Mad Lads over on Solana. Yesterday, $16,400. So far today, $17,200. In the real world, and let's be honest, most of us, we still measure our NFTs in their US dollar value. So floor prices down, but crypto prices up mean those NFTs are worth sometimes a heck of a lot more. And again, guys, that's exactly what you're seeing in the index this morning. So I highly encourage you, add the Forkast 500 NFT index to your daily routine. It is the perfect temperature check for the NFT market. Is the value up or is the value down? It's that simple. Now getting into the news, and man, it's some pretty exciting stuff. The Pudgy Penguins ramping up for Chapter 2 of their Pudgy toys, and they're doing that by launching their OverpassIP system. Guys, you can take your Pudgy Penguins, your Lil Pudgies, and it looks like even Bored Apes. You can list them right here on the Overpass website, and then projects or brands that want to have your Pudgy Penguin as maybe the face of their brand, well, instead of going through this lengthy process of contracts, man, now they just can come to Overpass, couple clicks, and boom, you've got an IP licensing deal. And now here with Overpass, I think we have a new staple product in the NFT ecosystem. Yeah, NFT IP is going to be everywhere. Now, OpenSea's been kind of chatty lately. A few weeks ago, their CEO mentioning OpenSea 2.0, and their focus is to present NFTs via their utility. His example, a ticket NFT belongs on a calendar. Well, in a new interview, their CEO said they're not only opening to acquisitions, them acquiring someone, but that they're also open to being acquired themselves. Well, he qualified that by saying they're not openly looking to be acquired, but the mindset here going forward is they're just open to anything. The point is things can change on a dime here in NFTs, even with something as established as OpenSea. All right, Azuki and Beanz, we've been talking about them a lot recently. Just a few weeks ago, Azuki announced a new anime, but in that announcement, they also mentioned physical toys of their Beanz. And guys, looks like the first sale of those Beanz toys went live a few days ago, and would you look at that, those toys completely sold out already. Right now, they're being manufactured. They'll start getting mailed out in April. I know you're gonna have a lot of anxious Beanz holders until then. Real talk here, but would any of us actually want to smell the metaverse? I picture it being a mix of Taco Bell, Cheetos, energy drink, and 5 days of not showering. And now thanks to the Perfume DAO, well, you get to smell the metaverse if you go to the luxury store Harvey Nichols. The scent here described as having notes of white smoke, warm circuitry, digital rose, and celestial incense. As far as what it actually smells like, well, maybe I'm thinking it's more like a server room. Tell you what though, I might actually prefer the Taco Bell energy drink scent. And finally here guys, we have one of our biggest mints of 2024 coming tomorrow. I'm talking about the Quantum Cats mint. Guys, even if you didn't get the whitelist, you can go to the Quantum Cats mint site and you can pre-register for the public sale. To register, you have to fully fund your wallet, so you need 0.102 Bitcoin in there. Guys, enjoy your Sunday here. I know there's big football on today, so take a break from NFTs. I say this all the time and I do mean it. The point of this show is to help you get away from NFTs a bit. We know it's a grind grind to keep up with all the trading action, with all the stories. But fam, just 5 minutes every day, I keep you caught up on it all. Touch some grass, go get away. I promise I got your back here. So of course, tomorrow I'll be back with another NFT market update, hitting on all the latest happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see ya.